Let's go to question 5. Alex only swims in the sea if the water temperature is at least 15 degrees Celsius. Alex goes into the sea close to home for the first time each year at the start of May, when the water becomes warm enough. Alex models the water temperature at midday with the function f of x equals a sin bx plus c for x greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 12, where x is the number of months after May and where b, c are positive. The graph of y equals f of x is shown in the following diagram. Show that b equals pi over 6. Whenever we saw this graph, we always figure out the maximum point and minimum point with coordinates. Maximum point 320, minimum point 910. We know b equals 2 pi over period. We need to figure out the period first. We will use this formula. Period equals double the horizontal distance between neighbor maximum point and minimum point. So we get 2 times absolute value of 9 minus 3 equals 12. 2 pi over 12 equals pi over 6. Show that basically means proof. So you just need to show the work, how you work out this b. B, write down the value of a and c. Let's work out midline first, because it's easier. For the midline, we will use this formula. Midline equals maximum plus minimum over 2, which is 20 plus 10 over 2 equals 15. So c equals 15. This is the midline, y equals 15. For the amplitude, absolute value of a equals maximum minus minimum over 2, which is 20 minus 10 over 2 equals 5. We need to figure out the sign for this a. Since no horizontal translation, the starting point is from y-axis. Therefore, this is the starting point. Sketch this pattern of this sin x. You could say it's a positive sin x. So this a is a positive. A equals 5. Alex is going on holiday and models the water temperature at midday in the sea at holiday destination with the function g of x equals this, where x is greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 12. And x is the number of months after 1st May. Use this new model g of x. Find the midday water temperature on 1st October, 5 months after 1st May. which means x equals 5. So g of 5 equals 3.5 sine pi over 6 times 5 plus 11. Simplify 3.5 sine 5 pi over 6 plus 11. We know 5 pi over 6 reference angle is pi over 6 equals 30 degrees. 5 pi over 6 is on the second quadrant. So let's draw this triangle. On the second quadrant, reference angle is 30. So make sure this terminal side is closer to x-axis. 1/2 negative square root 3 over 2. Sine is the opposite side or the y-coordinate. So we get 3.5 times 1 over 2 plus 11 equals 3.5 over 2, 1.75. Then plus 11 is 12.75 degrees Celsius. C2 show that the midday water temperature is never warm enough for Alex to swim. For g of x, we need to figure out the maximum and minimum value. We will change this sine pi over 6x into plus or minus 1 to figure out the maximum or minimum value. 3.5 times plus or minus 1 plus 11. For positive 1, we got 14.5. For minimum value, we got 11 minus 3.5. It's 7.5. Since g of x is greater than or equal to 7.5, less than or equal to 14.5. Since Alex can swim in the water when the temperature is greater than or equal to 15 degrees Celsius. That's the reason the midday water temperature is never warm enough for Alex to swim. How to write down your work? Because this and 14.5 or less than 15. So midday water temperature is never warm enough for Alex to swim. Let's go to D. Alex compares the two models and find that g of x equals 0.7 f of x plus q. Determine the value of q. For f of x equals 5 sine pi over 6x plus 15. Then we will use this to figure out g of x. G of x equals 0.7 f of x is 5 sine pi over 6x plus 15 plus q equals distributive property 0.7 times 5 is 3.5 sine pi over 6x plus 15 times 0.7 is 10.5 plus q. Now let's compare these two functions. We will set up 10.5 plus q equals 11. So q equals 0.5.